And the Emmy for Best Curly Hair goes to
Dawn Champion.
Oh my gosh, thank you to the Academy. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Okay, I did not win that Emmy for Best Curly Hair. That was from when I was in TV news. But in this video, I am going to show you how to do an award-winning protein treatment on your hair. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video. I'm going to be doing a two-step protein treatment from Aphogee. I've been doing a lot of reading about it and I'm really excited to see what the benefits will be for my hair. By the way, cocktail of the video is a nice margarita. Perfect for a weekend night like tonight. Now when it comes to protein treatments, they're really great. I've been doing a lot of research in recent weeks about them. They're really great for giving your hair nutrients and also strengthening your hair. Ladies, a lot of women use this treatment as they prepare to straighten their naturally curly hair. Just gives your hair an extra layer of protection. As for me, my hair, it's been a pretty good hair week, I'd say. I'm really excited because it's getting so long. Another good thing about protein treatments, it's supposed to give you that elasticity. It's supposed to be really good for that, so I'm excited to see what it'll mean for my hair. Now the protein treatments are really great for strengthening your hair, but they do very little to keep your hair moisturized. So I have done some reading this week, and a lot of folks I've learned after they do this Aphogee treatment, they do deep condition their hair to give their hair moisture after giving it some strength. So I am going to do that. The first step of the treatment is to wash your hair with the shampoo that's provided, and that's what I'm about to do now. So come on along for the journey. Whoop. But of course, another sip of cocktail. Alright, so I am out of the shower now, and step 2 of this treatment is to put the actual protein treatment in your hair. It is a liquidy consistency, so it's best to put it in a water squirt bottle like this, so to help with the application process. Now these protein treatments, from the research that I've done, they're good to do for your hair like every 6 to 8 weeks or so. So about every month and a half or so. So that's definitely the cadence that I plan on doing them. And again, this is my first time doing it. I'm really excited to see the results that it gives me. So never mind my little fake sectioning attempt. You do want to apply this by section on your hair because you will then go through with your comb to ensure that the hair is all, your hair follicles are full of the protein. So just work it through. So I heard a lot about the smell of this. It doesn't really smell too bad for me. Oh, I did read that you do want to apply this with like a towel or something, and definitely wear a shirt that you don't mind getting dirty. So this is my horrible attempt. So again, work it through your strands. You want to make sure that the protein, the treatment is covering your strands. I don't mind the smell. The smell is actually, I've read that it's really nasty smelling, but that smells kind of good to me. Maybe it's improved over the years or something. I've heard it's like been really, really bad, so I don't know. Maybe this is my lucky day. Alright Alright guys, once you get your annoying dog to get out of the way, the next step of the treatment is to dry your hair. As you can see, I have a portable dryer unit that I use, but you can also use a hair dryer. It's important at this phase of the treatment that you do not brush your hair in any way. The protein treatment is going to get really hard on your hair, so you don't want to cause any breakage. Also, as you're applying the protein treatment to your hair, beware of the fact that the solution is very sticky, and it's going to get sticky anywhere it lands on your body, so beware. Alright, so I just got finished drying my hair. As you can see, my hair is really hard right now. You want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. So the next step is to wash it out, and then you put on this balancing moisturizer afterwards. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower, washed the protein treatment out of my hair. My hair feels really good. I can definitely feel the difference in my hair, the texture. The shower really felt good to get the stickiness off of my hands, off the back of my neck as well, and off of my hair. But it was really good. I really enjoyed it. So again, the last step here is to add the balancing moisturizer. This really gives you that moisture after the treatment, because again, the protein treatment really just strengthens your hair. It doesn't moisturize it. So the thing with this is once you apply it, you're supposed to let it sit in your hair for 2 minutes, and then you can wash it out. And after that, go along your normal styling routine. Again, what I'm going to do is to deep condition after I wash out my hair. I'm going to put the deep conditioner in for about 30 minutes, and supposedly that's supposed to really help your hair moisturize after this treatment. Alright, so I'm fresh out of the shower, washing the moisturizer out, and I really love the way my hair is feeling. It really feels strong, moisturized here too. I'm still noticing the frizziness, and I think that's from my split ends that I have that I'm going to get cut off. But it feels really good. I definitely notice a different texture to my hair, a different feel to it. I'm not sure if I'm putting too much into that, but again, I have read that it's a good idea to do a deep conditioning after doing this protein treatment, so that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just out of the shower from washing out the deep conditioner, and I really love the way my hair feels right now. The look is really great. The curls are really defined. So I definitely think I'm going to add the 2-step protein treatment to my regular hair routine. I am going to add some castor oil. It is nighttime here, so I'm about to go to bed, so I'm not going to style my hair. But I do want to lock in some of the moisture from that deep conditioning that I just did on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my regular routine. I would love to hear from you if you do any other protein treatments or how you get protein into your hair regularly. Definitely comment down below. And remember, as always, to like and subscribe my channel for future videos. I look forward to doing more. And until next time, remember, cheers to great curls and great cocktails.